My name is Kenneth. I am a bike mechanic at the North Vancouver MEC, and today I will be showing you a quick pre-ride checklist that you can do in the parking lot before your ride. We have a tire pump, a multi-tool with Allen keys and spoke wrenches, and a shock pump. In terms of your spokes, you pretty much just want to make sure all of them are a consistent tension. If any of them are either too tight or too loose, you can adjust them with a spoke wrench. So tire pressure is pretty simple. You just pinch your tires, and if they are at a good pressure, then they're good, but you could always pump them up with the pump. These valves that are called Presta valves, you just need to rotate the valve core counterclockwise until it won't rotate anymore. That is pretty much what opens up the valve and allows you to fill up your tires. So when you're tightening up your bolts, what I like to do is start on the back and move to the front. It's also very important to tighten your stem bolts, because if your stem bolts are loose, you could lose control of your steering, which is never fun. So when you're checking your brakes, you want to make sure that your levers don't go all the way down to the handlebar, because out on the trail, you still want to be able to have that extra stopping power if you needed it. Your fork and shock pressure are pretty much up to personal preference. If you find that there is not enough pressure in the shock, you simply just pump the shock pump. But if there's too much pressure, most shock pumps have a button that you could use to release pressure. On your rear shock, what I found was that you can usually set the PSI to a number very similar to your weight. Let's just get that back up to 130. Don't forget to put your valve caps back on. Pretty important. So that is your pre-ride checklist. Now get out on the trail, stay safe, and have fun.